Amazon work from home jobs. In this video, I'm going to show you data entry and normal work from home jobs that you can get on Amazon. How would you like to wake up in the morning knowing you don't have to speed through traffic in order to get to your work? You can simply step out of your bed, grab your laptop, and then get going. In this video, I'm going to show you Amazon work from home jobs. Let's get started. Alright guys, so you want to go to amazon.jobs, which will then bring you to this website right here. So you can already see find jobs, but this is not what we're going to be using to find our work from home jobs. You want to scroll down and then you'll see three options: opportunities for students, fulfillment center hiring, and then right there, remote career opportunities. View and search all open virtual jobs with Amazon. So you want to click right here on view remote jobs, and this is where you can find Amazon work from home jobs. So if you now scroll down, you find all of these filters, right? You want to scroll all the way down, then right there you'll find the category and you'll see work from home. If you select that, you'll find all the work from home jobs. So as of right now, there are 1,214 full-time work from home jobs. Now what you can do is that you can filter out on specific countries or specific jobs. For example, if you go to more, you can find all of these job categories. So you've got all of these different ones, right? So what you can do is simply choose a certain category, or you can just scroll through all of them. Now let's say that you go to seasonal, you'll see that some of these are also work from home jobs that you can do if you speak Vietnamese or Thai. So you can see that these jobs are actually really good because they're offered to a lot of potential people, if that makes sense. Now if you scroll down, this is pretty much how it works. So you simply select a category, you then find the jobs in here. Once you found a job that you would like to apply for, what you would do is you simply click on it, and you can see it also set virtual location, so you don't have to be right here. And you can then pretty much view the job details. So scroll down and see all of the basic qualifications per job. Let's say that this is a good fit. You would click on apply now in the top right corner, then create your Amazon account and you can apply. That's literally how simple it is to apply for a work from home job at Amazon. So make sure you go ahead and go to Amazon Jobs, search for the job that you like, that fits for you, and then go ahead and apply. Now, of course, there's no guarantee you're going to get the job because a lot of people will be able to do this, but still, these are real work from home jobs at Amazon. So yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that so much. I'm trying to find the best jobs for you guys. If you want to see more work from home jobs, click on the video on the screen right now, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.